Mr. Vice President, go ahead.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another review video. No, sorry I took so long, but I was kind of crashing. You know this pandemic can have your brain a certain way. But anywho, let's jump into this debate. Trump versus Joe Biden. Okay? Who?
Box cover.
Alright, so people, I wasn't watching this debate from the start.
My bad, I'm sorry.
So hence who, when I got the notification online that I should get myself over to CNN to watch, I did so.
Yes, yes.
So when I clicked on now, I saw Chris Wallace.
The moderator, Chris Wallace, is on the stage right now. He's outlined 6 topics.
Now, if you don't know Chris Wallace is an American journalist. You might know him from being a presenter on Fox News.
I'm Chris Wallace of Fox News, and I welcome you to the first...
Clap if you care. Clap if you care.
Sam is a journalist, him have whole experience, and him all like 1 medium-sized bottle of water and 2 biscuits. At the same time, now me I look on him and he's like, just have to send me go straight at the back part of my brain.
This debate is sponsored by the Commission on...
Till me have to say, no man, Mr. Rogers that.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor.
Wow.
So yes, now it was time for Mr. Wallace to introduce Donald Trump to the stage as well as Joe Biden.
nominee, President Trump, and the Democratic nominee, Vice President Biden.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Jerry.
And Trump support like say me now want spelling bee contest and just know say him not gonna pass the next round. Now Joe Biden on the next hand, now him enter the stage like Miss Lou pick up our friend at airport.
This long time gal never see you, come make me hold you hand.
And then what was with all of this small talk?
How you doing, man? I'm well.
Yeah, Wendy?
How you doing?
Yeah, Joey from Friends?
How you doing?
So then President Trump was asked the first question and I could not get over how scary his RPF is.
What is?
Resting presidential face.
Fool in the chat, tell me.
It is giving you 101 Dalmatians, Cruella de Vil.
Meh.
It is giving you Mean Girls, You Can't Sit With Us. It is giving you Move From Your Soul with your little bit of money. Ta-ta!
We should wait and see what the outcome.
And Joe Biden by the next hand, he might give you a good, humble, decent grandfather will sit down on the veranda and just do him like a crossword puzzle.
Question to both of you tonight. Why are...
And one of the first things I notice is that whenever Biden get annoyed by Trump, him start to just smile.
The only difference is they try and do it faster. There's no way they would get... Okay, Justice Ginsburg said...
Something all right, yeah.
It's like in a Joe mind, he must sing the Kirk Franklin song. Joe Biden is giving you elderly Caucasian Obama. So yes, Biden started out from a page out of the Dr. Nigel Clark manual.
Well, first of all, thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator and panelists.
2,000 years later.
Looking forward to this, Mr. President.
Thanks to the Debates Commission and...
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, man, polite and manageable. People, you see, when they began to talk about the Obamacare and the Affordable Care Act, I dare saw the interruption start.
Under my proposal.
It's not what you said,
But
and it's not what
that
your party
is-
has said.
that is simply
Your party
a lie.
doesn't say it. Your party
is
wants to go...
So the moderator Wallace is asking him questions and look upon President Trump just to interrupt, just to intervene.
Old foot step back, young girl intervene.
You didn't want me to ban...
All right, gentlemen,
which was heavily...
Mr. President,
You would have been much
President.
less...
You chat too much.
No, honestly, Donald Trump, him hilarious. He is literally a walking Family Guy spoof.
Oh, God, no.
I just can't believe that the man here is actually a fully fledged president.
Yep, that's me.
Trump just interrupt with no regard.
First of all, I guess I'm debating you, not him.
red flag.
And as the debate get on, you get more of a feeling that the moderator, Christopher Wallace, was just completely over Trump.
The individual mandate. I'm going to give you an opportunity. I get
so much so to the point where me start to get aggravated in my own couch. I watch the thing.
I want to somehow a big head ugly man, me ignorant. I want class to know and talk some different things.
You know what this debate need? This debate needed Dear Jackson Miller, but come here, tell it out. Honestly, me would have fear for Trump and him as the president. Me have a fear for him because all they need to give him is just this tier.
From the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, Dion Jackson Miller.
We scare we.
Wow, that's a great question.
Because you see, even though Donald Trump have the RPF, you know what they have? She have the resting interviewer face.
I run too much joke here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
number one.
Joe, you
Number
agree
two.
with Bernie?
Gentlemen, could you just keep it down, gentle President Trump?
I'm here standing facing you, buddy.
Pocahontas would have left 2 days early. You would have.
But you're not. Stop it! I have never in my life yelled at a girl like this.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Because all Joe Biden had tried to talk and make him look a point, Trump just continued.
I want to make sure.
Graduated last in your class, not first in your class.
He was just persevering. Him coming like the man who did that interview Amari out at the beach.
And so then everybody was...
That's really happening.
Yeah, and
So what
sit
do you think
down.
about that?
I think that they're bright and out of order.
What I'm saying,
Like I say, I use my own pum-pum.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Lord Jesus.
At one point, Joe Biden get fed up and just tell him, say, yo, kaya te las bocas.
Left.
Will you shut up, man?
Listen, who?
You think Trump did care? No, sir. All Biden was getting vexed. Trump was sticking to his game plan. And that game plan, I believe, was to just completely, to just, what you call it, like just to trigger him and hopefully try to get a response and throw Biden off his game.
That was really a productive segment, wasn't it?
So then them touch upon COVID-19.
200,000 dead. As you said, over 7 million infected in the United States.
And I was just like, wow, look at Joe Biden talking and Trump is just being so civil, so quiet and not saying a word.
That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
4% of the world's population, 20% of the...
Honestly, I'm impressed. You go, Trump. What? Here, I don't really want to use a little thing out of context. Do not splice it and make it look like, yeah, hey.
That black me and my friend. That me I tell you.
Yes, right. As I said that, I'm Jack Khan. I must start for a buzz.
He said it is what it is. But it...
It's like it just start to fatigue him. But him a go and hold it. Max cover. You see, right as my focus, I'm going to thank God for the little 15 seconds of silence. In that, God, right back to square one.
Waited and waited and waited. He still doesn't have a plan.
Father God, what is?
Sit back and watch and just laugh.
Then them continue and fear talk about Corona, and Joe is, I guess, him a try to pander and talk directly to the American people.
He knew how dangerous it was going to be back in...
And then right as Biden a shadily wrap up, Real Housewives of Atlanta, Donald Trump, that jump in with a proper read. Oi. Hey, what is? What a coffee in one. Hey.
Monitor!
Unless he gets a lot smarter, a lot quicker.
So,
Mr. President?
Did you use the word smart?
You look so dumb right now.
Yes.
So you said you went to Delaware State, but you forgot the name of your college.
When? Who spot our time? Who spot?
You didn't go to Delaware State. You graduated either the lowest or almost the lowest in your class. Don't ever use the word smart with me.
Words can bring me.
Nothing smart about you, Joe. No, honestly, Jesus, people. Honestly, people.
With this here. You hear me tell you?
No, stop.
Right there, some someone could be a politician, because I feel like me patient, but something about Jesus, you know when somebody just grind your gears, or just aggravate you, or just like bring out the little mongrel outside of you, I feel like say, yo, Trump him just have the fatiguing energy there, like him can do it.
I'm gonna ask cry.
And everybody can manage for just like remember the Michelle and Barack saying, about when they go low, we go high, like, and everybody,
No.
The way my head gonna take me is that when you go low, me gonna just go lower. Me gonna just go right at the bottom of the way we call it, what the earth name, the crust, the ore, the mantle.
You want me come here, you're fired. Oh, you're so
47 years you've done nothing.
No man, I just honestly couldn't be a politician, man, because I say right as him go say that, is my pink wall comment section side, I go just come out and say, ta-da! So the debate is going on, and then the interruption comments once more.
That is true.
Oh, really?
Totally. No, hey, Mr. President, Mr. President, please.
Totally.
No, me just give up. Honestly, me give up on the debate here. Like right here, some start to get a migraine. It's like my brain did I wonder if me I watch one versus battle, if I'm watching like the finale for Love and Hip Hop, Miami. I do not know what was going on because it was just like total chaos.
By the way, well, wait, he didn't get $3.5 million, Joe?
Mr. Vice.
Eventually, it looked like Sir Joe started to get more, I get in him stride, and him going to describe President Trump as.
Well, it's hard to get any word in with this clown. Excuse me, this.
Hey, let me just say it.
No.
And as things went on, it just kind of proves that boy, the moderator really never made no sense because Trump do not respect him, and Trump is going to do whatever he wants to do.
Well, and him too.
Well, frankly, you've been doing more interrupting.
Oh, that's all right, but he does plenty.
Well, less than.
The moderator has as much use as one saggy cardboard straw. It's there, It's technically there, but why not really effective? Then eventually it became a competition of who was interrupting more, and it was just getting crazier and crazier. Yeah, people like right now, I feel like I just don't want to pull on my ear.
There's plenty.
No, less than you have.
How does Melania put up with this?
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to.
It's so much.
Yeah, you're mad. You listen to you're mad. You're mad.
Me just fast forward to the part where them ask him for just like condemn white supremacists, and him couldn't even do it.
Groups, but are you willing tonight to condemn white supremacists and militia groups?
I'm willing to do that, but
do it.
I
go
would
ahead,
say
sir.
not from the right wing.
So what are you saying?
You asked me so much questions.
Well, then do it, sir.
Say it.
Why don't you say so?
Say it. Do it. Say it. Do you want to call him? What do you want to call him? Proud boys, stand back and stand by.
Use this.
The moderator jump in once again and try to show a little bit more control and show him have some backbone, but why?
And by the way, my son. Wait a minute, Mr. President, your campaign agreed to both sides would get 2-minute answers uninterrupted. Well, your side agreed to it, and why don't you observe what your campaign agreed to as a ground rule, okay, sir?
Then when it reached right, so now I say, all right, no, I saw that fight right there. So
Hunter got thrown out of the military. He was thrown out, dishonorably discharged.
That's not true. He wasn't dishonorably.
Cocaine use, and he didn't have a job until you became vice president. And once you
sit there, Jesus, I could do it. No, Lord, Father God, I could do it. You know, my hands would have start move. I just couldn't do it. Jesus Christ, there would be no social distancing on that space. There would be some socialization, but you'd be socializing with these paws.
Stop. Don't you ever.
I know the level of restraints Joe would have had because the heap of things I could have talked about President Trump and Femme family is why my head hurt me. My head honestly hurt me. Like just this old careless session between the two of them was just like messy.
My son, my son, and he didn't have a job.
Don't have no money. Hungry your best friend. Mackerel rice is your cousin.
So then finally the debate was done.
I am so sorry. If I could take it back, I would. And I did not understand what I was doing in that moment.
I couldn't wait for it done. Honestly, me clock out and change the channel, and I just came back just to see like how long it did go on for, because this debate was literally a full headache. You did not watch this and walked away feeling pleased. You didn't walk away feeling inspired. You never walked away feeling like, oh my God, I am so happy to celebrate the United States of America, in this sort of moment, because it was just really, really bad.
Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, I'm not happy. I tried.
the thing lick up a chip me.
But you know, when I did that pre though, when the debate done, I did that pre like, you know, look apart them when the wife them come up now, say watch Melania walk up to Trump and you can't tell say no love not dead. The love not dead there. That is not no Wayne and Tommy. They love that it very supersonic, hypnotic, yeah man, bionic. That's some like a robot love. They love that come out of the Jetsons like
that me say.
And at least when you look on, you know, like Joe Biden and Femme wife now, you see a little bit more chemistry. Them seem more warm around each other. You can't tell, so there's something there really, not fake it, not pretend. Them actually check for each other, them sleeping at bed at night time, and do them look at cuddlings. You just know that with them type of thing over there. So, but on the next side, I love they look like tenant and landlord. So in the end now, it is announced that President Trump actually has the coronavirus. Him say, him and Melania. Boy, there's so many things I want to jump into right now, but I'm not going to jump into it. But you know what I say right now, it's like, hey, October surprise, so anything is anything. Anyway, that is it for this review. I hope that you enjoyed it. But it's just very much a night, so I really couldn't dissect it because, boy, this thing did really hurt my head. Anyway, for the Americans, please make sure you go and vote. You know, just like I right, just go do it, exercise it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment and to share and subscribe. You know the usual steps. Follow me on my social media right here. So, alright, that's it. Until the next time I find something to review. Bye-bye.
Box cover.